You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing but very interesting word. If you want to learn more English vocabulary that is confusing, you found the right channel. Stay tuned. It's pronounced in British English. The pronunciation is as ochre. Okay, so essentially don't pronounce the R in British English. Ochre. Now in American English, in the US, it's normally said as ochre, and essentially the R is pronounced after the E or the sound. Ochre. Ochre, American English pronunciation, ochre, British English. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.